Hello, welcome to Spa World. Today I wanted to show you my curry leaf plants and also talk about how I take care of them. Curry leaves are an important ingredient in a lot of Indian curries. They add so much flavor to the curries, so we all love to use these. I got this curry leaf plant when it was this small from a local nursery here, and after 4 years this is how it is. You can see that the plant is very healthy and the leaves are also very big. This is another curry leaf plant I got just in case something happens to this big plant. I wanted to back up, and this is also growing perfectly fine. This is the first time I got small plants like this, and I'm so happy to see these. I live in a cold place, so every year during November time frame I move these plants indoors and then keep them inside until May and then move them out then. When I move these plants outside again, all the old leaves will fall off and fresh new leaves will start. The leaves you see on this plant, they've just come back in the last 2 months, and you can see they're all very healthy. When these plants are indoors, I notice that they usually have some kind of a bug attack causing all the leaves to fall off. So during those times I try to use soap water to brush off all the infected area. But if it's significant, then I try to remove all the leaves that are affected. I don't like to use neem oil because I use these leaves in the curries and I don't want to alter the taste of curries, so I avoid neem oil. Don't have to worry if all the leaves go away during winter because they'll come back fine in summer. So when they're inside the house, usually I water them only once a week. I try to change pots every year and use new soil and all that, but this time I stopped doing that because this plant has become way too big. So I'm just going to leave it like that, but every year I add new soil and new manure. Whenever I cook rice or dal or any lentils at home, I save the water that I use to wash the rice or dal and pour it in these pots. That water is supposedly very healthy for these plants. Sometimes I use Miracle-Gro plant food as well, but I do that like maybe once in 2 months or so. Overall, I just love these curry leaf plants and I take care of them like my babies. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video on my curry leaf plant. If you like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel Spa World. Thank you for watching. Bye.